Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much you can withdraw from Ally Bank. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to answer it for you. But before we get into the specifics, I want to talk about why this question is important. Ally Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a high-yield savings account. But if you need to access your money quickly, you need to know how much you can withdraw. I'm also going to talk about some of the other factors that can affect how much you can withdraw from Ally Bank. These factors include your account type, your withdrawal method, and the amount of time you've had your account. So, let's get started. Body. What is Ally Bank? Ally Bank is an online bank that offers a variety of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and CDs. Ally Bank is known for its high-yield savings accounts, which offer some of the best interest rates in the country. How much can I withdraw from Ally Bank? The amount of money you can withdraw from Ally Bank depends on your account type, your withdrawal method, and the amount of time you've had your account. Account type. Ally Bank offers two types of savings accounts, the interest checking account and the high-yield savings account. The interest checking account allows you to withdraw up to $10,000 per day and $50,000 per month. The high-yield savings account allows you to withdraw up to $1,000 per day and $5,000 per month. Withdrawal method. You can withdraw money from Ally Bank using one of the following methods: online banking, mobile app, phone banking, ATM, mail. If you withdraw money using an ATM, you can withdraw up to $1,000 per day. Amount of time you've had your account. If you're a new customer, you may be able to withdraw less money than if you're an existing customer. Ally Bank may also place limits on how much you can withdraw if you've recently opened an account. Other factors. There are a few other factors that can affect how much you can withdraw from Ally Bank. These factors include your account balance, your account activity, your credit score, your income. How to increase your withdrawal limit. If you need to withdraw more money from Ally Bank than the daily or monthly limit, you can contact Ally Bank customer service and request a higher limit. What to do if you need to withdraw more than $50,000 per month? If you need to withdraw more than $50,000 per month from Ally Bank, you'll need to contact Ally Bank customer service and request a special withdrawal authorization. Ally Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a high-yield savings account. But it's important to be aware of the withdrawal limits before you open an account. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.